Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll cover chapter 3. Topic is Give and Take part 3 from class 3rd Maths NCERT book. And you can watch starting chapter using the links given in the description. So let's start. Here we will cover topic which is adding made easy, and we'll see few tricks how to solve the sum for given numbers. Okay, so there are two children. One is Anisha, this is Raja. They both went to the fruit shop. So let's see what happened at fruit shop. Anisha bought apple for 37 rupees and Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruits said, so she bought apples for 37 rupees, Raja bought banana for 21 rupees. Then the woman selling fruit said 37 is 30 and 7. So what she did? Actually 37 she split it into two numbers, 30 and 7. So if you add 30 and 7, it will give you 37. Similarly she split it 21 into 20 and 1. So again if you add 20 and 1, you will get 21. So 37 and 21 make 58. What does it mean? So woman selling fruit is saying 37 and 21 gave us 58. So 7 and 1 is 8. 3 plus 2 is, we'll do it again. 37 plus 21, we have to add. 7 and 1 will give us 8. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So we'll get 58. The first two I can do. How did she add 37 and 21 so fast? So that's how the children was asking, and she gave this answer, and finally we get 58. I just want to repeat how we add 10, 20 or 30 to a number, or how we subtract using this table. Just quickly see. So if you add 10 number to 45, we'll reach to 55. So what will happen? We'll move one row up in the same column. So this is one column, this is another column. So within same column we'll move one row up if we add 10 to any number. For example, if you add 10 to 64, you move to 74. If you add 10 to 14, you move to 24. If you add 10 to 44, you move to 54. And similarly you keep adding. You can add 10 to any number and you will reach to one row upside. Similarly, if you subtract any number, you will move downside. Okay, so 97 if you subtract 10, you move to 87. 54 you subtract 10, 44. 49 you subtract 10, 39. So that's how subtraction and addition will work. Now we'll try to add 21 to 37. So here is our 37, we want to add 21. So we'll add 10, 20 and we will move one step right. So this is plus 1. This is plus 1 to 57. So that's how we added 21 to 37 and we'll get 58. So let's see a few more examples. Here we have 26 and 43. Again, how we will do? We'll split 26 into 20 and 6, 43 into 40 and 3. So this number is split into 20 plus 6. This number we split into 40 plus 3. Then what we did? This 20 will be added to 40 first. Because adding 20 and 40 will be easy. As we know, here is our table, and if you want to add 20 to this table or 20 to this number 40, then how to add? When we add 10, we'll move to 50, 20 we move to 60. So we get 60. After adding these two numbers, we got 60. Then this 6 and 3 is moved to this side, and 6 and 3 if you add, you will get 9. So here is 6 and we want to add 3, then 1, 2, 3 and we reach to 9. Then in the end we can add 60 and 9. So here is 60 and if you add 9, you will get 69. So final answer will be 69. So let's see another example. Here 33 and 56. So if you add, now again we will split 33 and 56 like previous example. So 33 can be written as 30 plus 3, 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. Then what we'll do, we'll add 30 and 50 first. Okay, next step we'll add these two numbers first. So let's add, we'll add 50 to 30 or 30 to 50, it will give same number. So let's add 50 to 30. So we'll start from 30 and we'll keep moving by 10. So if we move 10, we get 40, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So if you add 50 to 30, we'll reach to 80. So that's how you can add, and here you see we reach to 80. And again these 3 and this 6 will be added together and it will give us 9. And 80 plus 9 will give us 89. So this is our answer. Now another example, 37 plus 22. 37 we split it as 30 and 7. 22 we written as 20 plus 2. Again we'll add these two numbers first. So 30 plus 20, it is same example, 10, 20. So 30 and 20 will give us 50. So here is 50 after adding these two numbers. And 7 and 2 will be added separately. So 7 plus 2 will give us 9 and 50 plus 9 will give us 59. So answer is 59. Let's see another example. Again here is 73 and 24. So how we will split 73? It is 70 plus 3. And 24 we can split with 20 plus 4. Then what we'll do? We'll add 70 and 20 first. So 70 and 20. Here is 70 and we want to add 20. So 10, 20 and it will give us 90. Right? So we'll get 90 and this 3 and this 4 will be added together. So we'll write these 3 and 4 here, and if you add 3 and 4 we'll get 7. So from 3 if you add 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 will reach to 7. So we got 7 and 90 plus 7 will give us 97. So answer is 97. Now here is very interesting game, mango and chili game. What they are saying, I'll read this text for you. Roll a pair of dice and move by adding the number that come on top of the both dices. Keep a different colored button for each player. If you reach a mango, you go forward plus. If you step on chili, you have to go back. That is a negative. See who reaches back home first. So this is kind of game, as you have seen a game on snakes and ladder in Ludo. So it is the same kind of game. You can play with any number of players. But how you need to play, I'll just give you a trick. So these will be dice. So you have to start from 1. And if you roll dice and let's say you get 1. So you will start from 1. And if you get 3, then you will move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then you will reach to 4. Let's say second time if we get 5. Okay. Then we will move to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as soon as we move to 5, we got 1 mango. And if we get 1 mango, we will add 10 steps. So if you add 10 steps to 9, it means it will take you to 19. You know, in this previous table, if you add 10, we move to next row or above row. So we reach to 19. So that's how you need to play. Similarly, if you reach to 30 and you found chili, then you have to come 9 steps back. So if you come 10 steps back, you will reach to 20 and we'll add 1 more. So we'll get to 21. Or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So that's how you can reach to this number. So this game you can try and play with your friends and see who win this game. And you have to start from here. You have to reach to 79, and those who will reach 79 first, they will win the game. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it was fun playing with the number, doing some subtraction quickly. But yes, keep practicing and you will definitely